This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Suppelsa, less than bedroom greater than Marie Kennedy. Located in a great neighborhood, this home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, attached carport and inside laundry room. And number 13, home has been updated with hurricane impact windows and the door to the patio. Freshly painted. The yard is over 10,000 square feet, corner location. It has a newer AC. The floor in the utility room is being replaced. The screened roofed patio is 15 by 18 and the yard is partially fenced. For more information, review the details below.